Ever dig into your garden bed only to hit a mass of tough, woody roots instead of soft soil? That happened to me. A once thriving bed was suddenly a tangled web of roots. The culprit, a river birch tree about 15 feet away. Trees and shrubs are always searching for water and nutrients, and a raised bed is like a buffet for their roots. These feeder roots sneak in, sucking up moisture and nutrients, leaving your plants struggling. Over time, the soil becomes dry, compacted, and lifeless. My productive bed turned into a root-choked desert. This is a common problem, especially in established yards with mature trees. No matter how high you build your beds or how rich your soil, nearby tree roots will find a way in. It's not your fault, it's just nature at work. The key is learning how to protect your growing space, not just fighting the symptoms. Understanding the root cause is the first step. Let's see how to reclaim your garden bed for good. Your first instinct might be to dig out all the roots and refill the bed. I tried that twice. Each time the roots came back even stronger. Cutting tree roots just encourages more vigorous growth. It's a never-ending cycle. Dig, refill, watch roots return. You lose soil structure, spend more on amendments, and waste time. The real issue isn't the roots, but their easy access to your bed. It's like leaving your door open for pests. They'll always come back. The only real solution is to block their entry. For raised beds, that means installing a physical barrier. Let's break the cycle and stop the invasion for good. Here's how to reclaim your bed permanently. First, empty the bed completely, soil and roots, onto a tarp. Sift through the soil to remove every bit of root. Once empty, install a tough, commercial-grade root barrier along the bottom and sides. Overlap seams to prevent any gaps. Now rebuild your soil. Return the sifted earth, then add new high-quality compost and amendments. Mix in worm castings for extra nutrients and beneficial microbes. Don't just refill with plain soil, create a living, healthy ecosystem. This process is work, but it's the foundation for a root-free bed. By installing a barrier and rebuilding the soil, you're protecting your investment for years to come. No more fighting roots every season. Your plants will finally have the space and nutrients they need. This isn't just a fix, it's a transformation. Take the time now, and you'll enjoy a thriving, productive garden bed. Let's move on to planting for success. With your bed protected and soil rebuilt, it's time to plant. Kickstart soil health by adding mycorrhizal fungi to help roots absorb nutrients. For your first season, choose fast-growing crops like lettuce, spinach, kale, or radishes. These shallow-rooted plants thrive in fresh soil and help rebuild the ecosystem. Remember, protection is better than correction. A root barrier saves you from future headaches. Focus on building soil health, not just filling a box. Healthy soil means resilient, productive plants. My once root-choked bed is now my most productive spot. Share your own tips and experiences in the comments. Let's grow better gardens together.